Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat. First, take a paper, then fold this like a triangle and fold this the bottom part like this. Now shape it properly, the both triangle and the bottom part. Now you have to tear the bottom part. I'm going to tear it. So I throw in the bottom part and with the bottom part given a side. Take this triangle and open it, become a square. Then fold it like this and shape it properly. Now again fold it like this and shape it properly. Now you take three sides of this. So you can see here there's one paper here, and then fold this end to the another end, and take the second paper and again fold it back to the other end. Take the third paper and fold it back to the other end, and this paper you fold it back side to this end. After folding, put your hands inside this hole and make it like this. Fold it like this. Fold it properly. After folding, you can take it out like this and shape it properly at the bottom. Folding at the bottom. This is your paper boat. You can float it in water. It will float very nicely. Here is a paper boat. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.